everyone. Welcome to Bohol Island State University main campus, a place where dreams begin and a future grows.
Located in a beautiful province of Bohol, Baisu known as producing competent, resilient, and globally competitive graduates.
As a proud Baisuan, my journey here is not just about attending classes. It's about life-changing experience.
When I first entered Baisu, I felt nervous and excited at the same time. But as days passed, I discovered that this university is not just about academic. It's about growth, friendship, and discovering your full potential.
Inside the classrooms, our professors don't just teach a lesson, but inspire us to think critically, work hard, and believe in ourselves. They guide us not only to pass the exams, but to prepare in real life challenges. Every activity, groupings, and group works, they help me to become more confident and responsible.
Outside the classroom, being a Baisuan is more meaningful. I experience training school events, celebrating foundation days, and supporting sports competition and participating in community and outreach programs. These activities help me build strong friendship and unforgettable memories.
What Maiso makes special is the people. The students are friendly and motivated. The staff are approachable and helpful. Here, you are not just a student, you are the part of the family.
So if you are looking for a university that will only not to educate you but also to transform you, come and experience here in Bohol Island State University main campus. Enroll now and become part of the Baisu family. See you, future Baisuans!